Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Bandlab and creating a new project. Pick voice to get the correct template. Choose your input device next, internal mic for quick demos or a USB/audio interface for better quality. Set sample rate if available, usually 44. 1 kHz, and enable monitoring only if latency is acceptable. Once done, arm the track for recording so Bandlab receives signal. Make sure gain is modest to avoid clipping. You'll adjust levels in the next step. Now you set levels and add processing so your takes sound consistent. Reduce input gain until peaks sit around -6 to -3 dB. This prevents clipping and leaves headroom. Add a gentle EQ to remove muddiness and a mild compressor for steady dynamics. Presets speed this up. If you need timing, enable the metronome and set BPM. Once done, test a short phrase and listen back. Tweak EQ/compression and input level until the test sounds balanced before recording full take. Hit record and perform your take. Use punch-in to fix errors or enable loop recording to capture multiple performances for comping. After recording, play the take and mark the best regions, then create a composite track if you recorded multiple passes. Trim edges and add short fade-ins/outs to avoid clicks. When satisfied, export your mix as WAV for quality or MP3 for sharing. Choose sample rate and bit depth to match destination. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear latency, reduce buffer size in audio settings or use direct monitoring if available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.